To create a quote container in your content area of a general content schema page, first locate an empty component. You can either create an empty component by selecting the gear icon and then the plus icon, or selecting the Add New button. You can also select that gear icon and the minus icon to get rid of any components you do not need. Within your empty component area, select the Create button in the lower right. Give it a name. This name will help you locate what component to update at later times if needed. And then in the Type dropdown, locate the KU Quote Area option. And then select the Create in the lower right of that window. Once created, fill in the quote of what was said, and then who said it and the author. Once you have those two areas filled out, you can save by selecting the icon underneath the tabs that looks like a computer disk. And then preview in that same line of icons under the tabs, the one that looks like a computer monitor. And this is what your quote will look like and how it will be styled by simply filling out those two fields. And that is how you create a quote within your content area of the content management system.